Good morning, students. This is class 10 science, chapter light, reflection and refraction. In the last class, we have studied about some important terms. Today, important terms associated with spherical mirrors. We have also studied about focus. In today's class, we'll study about focus of concave mirror and convex mirror. Focal point or focus. Focus is also known as focal point. So see, as you can see in the picture, this F is the focus or the focal point of a concave mirror. You see what happens when light rays, these are the light rays, when the light rays parallel to the principal axis, this is the principal axis, and these rays 1, 2, 3, 4, these rays are parallel to the principal axis, are incident on a concave mirror. See, this light is striking over here. They all converge at a point on the principal axis. See, after reflection, this is going over here. This line after reflection meeting over here. So these all four rays after reflection are converging at this point, and this point is called the principal focal point of the concave mirror. This point, the point which the arrow is indicating is called the principal focal point of the concave mirror. It is denoted by F. See, F is written over there here. The distance between PF, that is between pole and focus, is called the focal length of the concave mirror. This distance between P and F, it is known as focal length of the concave mirror. And focal length is denoted by small f. Focal length is denoted by small f. The focal length is always half of the radius of curvature. This is the radius of curvature. Focal length is half of the radius of curvature. So we can say F is equal to R by 2, or R is equal to 2F. R is equal to 2F, or F is equal to R by 2. A concave mirror is thus termed as a converging mirror, and you see the focus is always in front of the mirror. In a concave mirror, focus is in front of the mirror. It is also known as converging mirror. Now, look at this picture. This is of a convex mirror. Now, these are the light rays. When these light rays strike the convex mirror, these light rays are parallel to the principal axis. When they are striking the convex mirror, then after reflection from the mirror, they appear to diverge from a point called the principal axis. See, they all are diverging. All are going away from the principal axis. See, this point is called the principal focal point of a convex mirror. See, if we brought them backward, if we are bringing them backward, you see the dotted lines indicates that we are bringing them backwards. See, so they appear to diverge from this point. This is the focal point, and all these rays are moving away from the focal point. So we can say that a convex mirror is a diverging mirror. Convex mirror is a diverging mirror, means the light rays are diverging. This is the PF is the focal length, and same rule applies here also. F is equal to R by 2, means focus is half of the radius, or R is equal to 2F, and convex mirror is thus termed as diverging mirror, and the image which is formed over here is a virtual image. Here real image is formed. So we can say that concave mirror usually forms real image, whereas convex mirror always form virtual image. I hope you all have understood about the focus, about the radius, and what is focal length, converging mirror, diverging mirror. So this is a very important term of converging mirror, and it will be very helpful in solving numericals. Thank you. Have a nice day.